If you're single, there is a 99.9% chance that you have experienced or may be presently experiencing a hard relationship. Most everyone I know or have counseled have been hurt, abandoned, rejected, and devastated in relationships. If this applies to you, there is a good chance that you have tried or you are trying to soothe the pain by going right back into another relationship. Many people seek comfort in another relationship before healing completely from the previous one. Most find themselves with the same kind of person from the previous relationship. An understanding of the stages and phases of relationships and divorce will help to keep this from ever happening again. So, where do you stand at this very moment? If you're tired of all the games being played, if you're tired of the players, and if you are weary of the shenanigans, it's time that you get control. Have you come to the point of realizing that you are gambling away your future? Have you finally recognized that the jokers really are wild? Do you find yourself saying life is too short to be miserable, and yet you feel stuck there? Had your time with the cheater worn out because of the counterfeits? Have you finally learned that the fakes don't really bring you happiness? If you realize that you could use some help, I have just the thing that you need. On June 3rd, next month, we are presenting the H.A.R.D Relationship Workshop, the stages and phases of relationships and divorce, live at the Renaissance Church of Christ in Atlanta, Georgia. We will be live, but if you are unable to travel to Atlanta, we will be simultaneously hosting a Zoom video conference. Anyone who is in a relationship, whether married or single, anyone who just got out of a relationship, anyone who is still hurting from a bad relationship, and anyone who is about to go into a relationship should attend. Even if you have a great relationship, you should attend this workshop. If you have experienced divorce, you especially should attend. We hope that you will join us for this enlightening workshop sponsored by the Renaissance Church of Christ Singles Ministry. Join us in person or via Zoom video conference. Scan the QR code above to register. We guarantee that you will receive valuable information that will get you to the point of better relationships. Through our many years of working with couples, we realize that some relationships require one-on-one attention, so we also offer pastoral counseling if you think that you need that service. We offer premarital counseling, individual counseling, and family counseling should you need those services. I have even had a few individuals who were in premarital counseling realize that their fiance was not the one, and they are now in individual counseling to get themselves right before venturing into another relationship. Quite wise, I think. Call me directly if this service interests you. Help has finally arrived. Even if you have a great relationship, this workshop can show you ways to keep it that way. Don't need help yourself? This workshop contains great information for your family members or friends who just can't see or won't see that they are in trouble. So again, if you have been hurt, abandoned, rejected, and devastated, this workshop offers techniques in healing, avoiding bad relationships, ways to recover from past relationships, and direction moving forward. We look forward to having you join us. You will not be disappointed. If interested, simply scan the QR code at the end of this video, which will take you to our website to register. Have questions? Feel free to call me at 214-202-7968 or email. All of my contact information is on your screen. You have surely heard the old saying, been there, done that, got a t-shirt. Why not get the help you need? There is no need to keep wearing that t-shirt. I look forward to hearing from each of you. My phone number is 214-202-7968. Please leave a message and I will get back with you. Take care.